ताज़ा तरीन खबरों को जानने के लिए अभी टाइप करें A1 News TV।
Hello, you are watching A1 News TV and I am Megha. Let's have a look on our special story. On the occasion of Women's Day, the World Association of Women Warriors, that is WAOW, organized the prestigious Warriors Award 2021 at JW Marriott Aerocity in Delhi. The first Warrior Award in India by WAOW, which is global organization working towards delivering United Nations 5 goals and have members spread across 5 continents, had several firsts on its list. Warrior Awards was powered by Non-Violence Peace Foundation, USA, and in association with PIOCCI, that is People of Indian Origin Chambers of Commerce and Industry, which is global business platform. The chief guest, the first female IPS, Dr. Kiran Bedi, ex-LG Puducherry, was all praises all the awardees and emphatic on their journey. She said, WAOW have meticulously chosen meritorious women for the Warrior Award. She also said that this was the first time and the only event she has accepted to physically attend after almost 18 months, and that she was happy about her decision. The guest of honor, Dr. Prerna Kohli, is the first clinical psychologist ever honored by the President of India, a 4-time gold medalist. She has been working in the domain of mental health for over 20 years, working with top international organizations and institutions, while currently working with the unprivileged section for the society. She emphasized, women warriors who are being awarded here have chosen to challenge their circumstances, and this should influence on other women too. The guest of honor, Ruma Devi, Nari Shakti Awardee by the President of India, Ambassador Tribe India, and President of GVCS, Barmer, which has more than 23,000 active women artisans members. Ruma Devi said the need of the hour at grassroots is first to Beti Bachao and then turn them into warriors by Beti Padhao. She elaborated that through GVCS, she would be given financial support for these causes. She also launched an online store for the rural artisans, that is rumadevi.com. The guest of honor, Ira Singhal, the first differently abled IAS topper and the brand ambassador for the Department of Disability, MOSJE, Government of India. She said that as a warrior, one should not let the challenges stop one from achieving their dreams. She commended every warrior awardee for their strength and conviction. The guest of honor, Her Excellency Ambassador Grace Akelo, High Commissioner of the Republic of Uganda in India, was very appreciative to know that WAOW is working with women at the grassroots globally, and said her journey as a tribal woman for upcountry Uganda to being a warrior, facing and winning over challenges, to now proudly representing her people and country across the world. She shared her journey and her work as an author with all the present awardees. One of the first in-person event post-COVID-19 attended by 80 plus known and prominent women, not just from NCR but other states as well. Warrior Awards also had message from other international WAOW warriors, with over 30 prominent and meritorious awardees, predominantly from India. The prestigious list of warrior awardees included Zoya Agrawal, Dr. Rita Jairath, Lieutenant Dr. Rita Gangwani, Pallavi Singh, Sajida Nadeem, Vinita Bhatia, Bhavna Singh, Professor Anu Singh Lathe, while simultaneously celebrating the grassroots warriors from the smaller cities like Dr. Sharmila Pandey, Nishi Gupta, Leena, and Sahana Bibi. WAOW Doan and Director Shahwar Shohrat said that Warrior Awards were instituted to recognize and celebrate women warriors who have lived a transformational journey for themselves, are making a difference to the women in their communities. WOAW directors Mamta Godial, Shalabh Sehgal, and Birender Soni were instrumental in curating such a diverse and meritorious list of awardees from more than 350 nominations. Mamta said that with the success of these awards, WOAW is already excited about the next award, which will be done in Dubai in 2022 with international awardees.
That's all for now. Thank you for watching. For more updates, keep on A1 News TV.
ताज़ा तरीन खबरों को जानने के लिए अभी टाइप करें A1 News TV।